So.
Good morning guys! Magandang araw guys! We will cook today suted kangkong. Magluluto tayo ng ginisang kangkong.
So.
We will include the stock of kangkong. Masarap to guys. It's very delicious. Isasali natin ang stock ng kangkong sa pagluluto guys. The ingredients are kangkong, leaves, kangkong stock, soy sauce, and spices, and oil. We will put the spices in the oil. And mix until it become brown. Okay guys, the spices are becoming brown. We can put the stock here. Mix guys, mix. Paghalo-haloin ang mga sangkap. Next, we will put the kangkong leaves here. Lagay natin ang kangkong leaves here. Mix again. Halo-haloin. Put some water. Lagyan ng tubig. Put some soy sauce. Lagyan ng soy sauce. Mix again. Halo-haloin. Put a little bit of seasoning. Mix. Lagyan ng seasoning. At ihalo. Panggatong ko guys, papel. It's already boiling guys. Kumukulo na siya guys. Maluluto na to mamaya.